Hello, my name is Irene and I'm accounting professional in one of the big four company. I was trying to pass my CPA exams and I was using one of the national review courses and I was doing really great, but I needed some more explanations on theory. I found Professor Farhat's lectures. Those were really helpful for me to understand some theory and comprehend a little bit more information so I could easily solve my multiple choice and task-based simulation questions. I would like to recommend Professor Farhat's lectures for those of you who cannot really memorize and remember all those concepts, because Professor Farhat is great in explaining those concepts. So you do not need to memorize them, you just will understand and be able to use them whatever you need to solve questions.